It is a proud moment for every single Indian out there. India is all set to sell its homegrown Akash missile system to Brazil, a country that has previously clashed diplomatically with US President Mr. Donald Trump. Now, this isn't just any regular defense deal that we are talking about, it is a statement. Developed by DRDO, the Akash missile is very famous for being cost effective, reliable, and deadly accurate. It can shoot down enemy aircraft, drones, and even cruise missiles from up to 45 kilometers away, making it a formidable tool for any country's defense. You know why this particular deal is game changer? Now, let's rewind to May 2025. After a terrorist attack in Pahalgam, tensions between India and Pakistan skyrocketed. Pakistan funds terrorism, the world knows about it, and when India retaliated, it launched Operation Sindoor on May 7th. And the famous Akash missile system proves its importance by successfully destroying Pakistani drones, incoming missiles, protecting cities in western India. Well, the whole operation was a global showcase of India's missile-making strength here. Now, fast forward to October 16, 2025. India's Defense Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, he met with Brazil's Vice President, and that too in Delhi only, alongside Brazil's Defense Minister, Rose. Well, the talk, it focused on strengthening defense cooperation, and India proposed selling its powerful Akash missile system to Brazil. Now, here experts say that this particular deal could shift military dynamics in South America and enhance Brazil's defense capabilities like never before. This announcement has left many in the US, specifically Mr. Trump supporter, unsettled. The deal not only boosts India's defense globally, but it also signals that the country is willing to export its technology to allies, even if it upsets the US, proving that India is now a major player in the global defense system. You know, with Operation Sindoor as a living proof of its combat power and the Akash missile now set to fly across continents, India's defense diplomacy is clearly sending a bold message to the entire world. When it comes to missile tech, India is no longer just a participant, it is a leader now.